Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Hub, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I am Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It is such a beautiful day to practice English together, isn't it?
It certainly is, Paul. I am feeling full of energy today. How are you feeling?
I'm doing very well. Thank you, Emily. I am a little busy, but I am happy.
Busy is good. It means you are doing many things and learning a lot along the way.
Yes, exactly. But before we talk about today's topic, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to Mr. English channel and click the like button. It really helps us grow, and also share this episode with your friends and family. Learning English is always more fun with friends.
That's right. Now, Emily, I'm very curious. What are we talking about today?
Today we have a very practical and useful topic. We are going to talk about your daily routine.
Daily routine. That means all the things we do every day, from the moment we wake up until we go to sleep.
Exactly. And today we will go through a full day, from morning to night, and we'll learn a lot of vocabulary along the way.
That's a great topic. Everyone has a routine. Knowing the words for daily activities is very useful.
Emily, absolutely. So, let's start at the beginning of the day, the morning.
The morning. The sun comes up, the birds are singing, and everything feels fresh.
But first you are still in your bed. What happens then?
Usually my alarm clock rings. Ring, ring, ring.
Ah, the alarm clock. I do not like that sound at all.
Me neither. But we must wake up. So first we wake up, then get up, and leave the bed.
Yes. Wake up means open your eyes, become conscious. Get up means stand up from your bed.
After I get up, I usually go to the kitchen. I need my morning coffee to start the day.
Ah, yes. Coffee is very important in the morning. Or maybe some tea.
While I drink my coffee, I sometimes eat a small breakfast like toast, eggs, or fruit.
Yes, a quiet morning at home is very nice. You can prepare yourself for the day ahead. But for many people, the morning is also busy with family, especially if you have children.
That is true. If you have a son or daughter, you must help them. You make their lunch, help them get dressed, and prepare their backpack.
And then comes the school run. You drive your child to school or sometimes walk with them.
I like walking. It is good exercise. But sometimes I am in a hurry, so I drive. You say goodbye at the school gate. Have a good day.
After that, the workday begins. Now, you must commute to work.
Yes, the commute. That's a good word. It means traveling from home to work. Some people drive, some take the bus or train. I take the subway. It's fast but crowded in the morning.
I can imagine. Everyone goes to the office at the same time.
When you arrive at work, you greet your colleagues, sit at your desk, and often there's a morning meeting.
Do you like meetings, Paul?
Sometimes, if they are short, they are okay. What happens in a meeting?
Usually the boss talks, and you discuss projects and plans. You share ideas and sometimes drink more coffee. Coffee really is the fuel for work.
After a few hours of work, it's time for my favorite part of the day, lunch.
Let me guess, lunch with friends?
Exactly. Lunch is very important. It gives you energy and is also a nice break. Going to a restaurant with friends is fun. We laugh, talk about life, not work. It relaxes the mind.
After lunch, work continues. But let's imagine you have a special appointment in the afternoon.
An appointment? Like a doctor?
Yes, but today it's a nutritionist.
Nutritionist? That is a big word. Can you explain it, Emily?
Sure. A nutritionist is a person who knows everything about food and health. You can call them a food doctor.
Ah, I see. They help you eat healthy food. Very useful, especially when you eat too much pizza or cake.
Exactly. The nutritionist helps you make a plan. Eat more vegetables and fruit, drink more water, and limit cookies.
After the appointment, the workday finishes. The sun sets, and it's time for the evening commute back home.
You're tired but happy because you're going home to see your family. You open the door, take off your shoes, and sit on the sofa for a minute.
Just 1 minute. Then it's time for dinner.
Paul, do you cook dinner or buy it?
Today, after the nutritionist, I think I should cook.
Great choice. Cooking at home is healthier. You can make soup, grilled chicken, or salad.
And then we eat together with the family. Dinner time is special. You ask about the day, your child tells a story from school, and everyone connects.
After dinner, the dishes are washed, the kitchen is clean, and it's time to relax.
I like to watch TV, maybe a funny show or a movie. What about you, Emily?
I like to read. It's peaceful and quiet, perfect before sleep.
Reading is wonderful. It makes you sleepy in a good way.
But before going to sleep, there's one more important task: planning for tomorrow.
Planning? But I'm tired. I want to sleep.
It only takes 5 minutes. Make a small to-do list, buy milk, call mom, finish a report. Writing it down clears your mind. You sleep better.
A clear mind makes a good night's sleep.
Exactly. Then brush your teeth, put on pajamas, and get into a warm, soft bed. Close your eyes, and the day is done.
Wow, that was a busy day.
Let's quickly review. Morning, wake up, coffee, school run, commute to work, morning meeting, lunch with friends, nutritionist appointment, back home, dinner with family, evening relaxation and planning for tomorrow.
That's a very productive day. Talking about daily routines also reminds me how much English we use every day. Wake up, drive, work, eat, cook, sleep. These are all verbs.
Exactly. Action words help you describe your life. If you can describe your day, you can speak a lot of English.
I have a challenge for our listeners. Try to narrate your day in English in your head. For example, I am making coffee, or I am walking to the bus.
That's a great tip. You don't need to speak out loud, just practice thinking in English. But if you want to speak even better,
And planning your day every night helps too. It makes your morning smoother and reduces stress.
stress is common. A good routine, friends, and fun help reduce it. Work is important, but happiness and health are important too.
Thank you, Emily. That was very wise advice.
Thank you, Paul. I hope our listeners found new words and ideas for their daily lives.
And now, before we say goodbye, please subscribe to the English Hub, share this episode, and tell us in the comments. What is your favorite part of the day?
The quiet morning, lunch with friends, relaxing evening, or sleeping. Write your answer in the comments.
Writing comments is excellent practice. Don't be shy. We all learn together.
Thank you for listening today. You are all amazing.
Have a wonderful day and night. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.